Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a FabFitFun mystery bundle for you to go over. I did pick this up at the end of the winter sale. They had an add-ons last minute. They call it an edit sale. I do believe you have to be a member of FabFitFun to have access to these sales. But it's kind of cool because you never really know what you can get. They put a little bit of everything in there. I'm excited to see what is inside my mystery bundle. You can kind of see a little bit in the bag. However, I'm not really sure what all the items are, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. I also have an add-on that I had, but I'm going to save that for the end of the video because I'm sure most of you are more curious to see what is inside the mystery bundle. First thing I'm pulling out is a makeup eraser. This is a good thing. This makes me happy because I'm all about makeup erasers, and even they don't have to be makeup eraser brand, but I do like the eco-friendly version of removing your makeup. And if those of you who haven't tried it yet, I do recommend at least giving it a try. For me, and almost everybody that I've had try it say that just warm water removes makeup, even waterproof makeup. So I'm definitely recommending giving this a try because this can actually save you money in the long run, so you don't have to keep buying makeup remover wipes all the time and contributing to trash and everything. How did they know my favorite color is blue? So this is a full-size one. This one is actually valued at $20. So that's cool that's in here. This is a really large one. I don't own any ones that are actually this large. So this is really neat. I love the color of it. Definitely excited for that. Let's see what else I got in here. Next up, I'm not really sure what this is, but it does say on the packaging, buy the change you want to see. We believe in dignity of work, empowerment through empowerment. We connect makers around the globe to people like you. This was authentically made for you by artisans in Bangladesh. That's pretty good. It's from a certified organic factory. Oh, I had no idea what this is. This is a flower power apron. I'm not too crazy about the design, but it's an apron. How cool is that? Okay, so this is what it looks like, opened up all the way. It's kind of hard to fit it all in the camera. It has a cute little pocket there that almost reminds me of like a picnic. So another apron to add. I only have, I think, one apron right now, so it's always cool to have a backup one, especially when you're doing baking and stuff. I'm really messy. I get flour everywhere, so it's a little bit less flour. It's going to be on me. Okay, so I am excited to get this as well. This is from Earth Harbor, and it's their Nebula serum. I don't own this serum from them, and I own quite a few serums and moisturizers from them. They are a pretty good company. I do enjoy them. They are vegan and cruelty-free. And it's said to clarify. It's a clarify ampoule, and it has sea lavender and ginseng in it. So I see ginseng in like my energy drinks and stuff, but I don't think I've ever used anything that had that in my skincare. So it's interesting. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. They always put their stuff in glass bottle, and it's purple. How cute is that? I wonder how this smells. Okay, it's a very, very soft lavender scent, not strong at all. It doesn't have a really strong florally scent. If those of you who don't really like really strong scents in your skincare, I think you might enjoy this. And if it's to clarify, I'm wondering what that means. I might read the back further. Oh, perfect. It helps to stress skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. So normally I don't have an issue with that, but you know, the lady time that comes around every so often, I do have issues with blemishes and oilier skin than normal. So I'm definitely glad to have this. I only have one other serum for that, and it's from 111 Skin. But I am running low on that. Good to have a backup serum that can do that for my skin. And it looks like the last thing in this mystery bundle, if I can get it out of the bag. Okay, so it looks like the last thing I got in this mystery bundle is this. So let's open it and see what this actually is. Okay, how cute. It comes like a little present. This is a Vera Bradley note cube. So these are like post-it notes, and they have like a little hole, punch out hole in them. Me, myself, I won't really use this, but for those of you who work in like offices or anything in that nature, or like to jot a lot of stuff down, this would be really good for you. My sister actually would enjoy this because she does work front desk at an office. So I think I'm going to give this to her, but it's super cute. Vera Bradley is a very well-known brand. It has been for a while. It has a cute little holder with it. I valued at $16. That's not too crazy, especially for Vera Bradley, and it comes with a little pen too. I don't know if the pen's any good, but it does come with a pen. And let's move on to my add-ons that I got. I only got this waxy, and the reason being because I have tried it before and I absolutely love their wax. I wax my own upper lip and etc. So I like to have this stuff for at home, and it saves money for having to go out and get it done when you could just do it yourself at home. It does include face and body applicators. So these are just like those wooden sticks that you apply wax with. It comes with a microwavable melting pot, and this is reusable. I do have one of these now, but I am going to set it back for when the other one isn't good anymore. Then I could pull this one out and use it. And one really fun thing about them is they always have really good smelling waxes. Like I have one now that's fudge brownie, and it smells like fudge brownies. This one's actually creme brulee, which is my favorite French dessert. And I love how on the top they have the French flag colors on the top here. You know, I'm gonna have to smell this to see if it actually... Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a caramel smell to it. And these beads will last you for a long time, depending on how large of areas that you're waxing. But it is made for your face and your body. So it's super cool. You can pick this up in Ulta. But if you see it in a FabFitFun sale, a BoxyCharm sale, and you do wax at home or are interested in trying, I do recommend picking it up. It is a very good formula of wax. And also, it does cost a lot more if you go to purchase it yourself in the store. So that's everything that I have for this video today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.